Pitch just closed here, so as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only. Not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude daily chart. Now, Saudi Arabia came out today along with OPEC, and they say that they don't see any cut. They don't see any really slowdown with China. So they're holding all their numbers the same, okay? So that's why crude rally here today. But again, you know, we trade the charts. We don't care about all that noise, okay? So bottom line here we have, okay? I've always been pointing out this candle here, okay? There's your your bottom there, 66.82. Your bottom here, 67.03. That was your nice double bottom. It ran on up here and then sold right on off here, okay? Well, the reason it sold off, okay, just look at the top of these candles and then look right straight across all the resistant levels here that it went into, okay? See this? All this, okay? That's all resistance. That's why the candle stopped right there and it didn't go any higher. All right, now what we had yesterday is off of this 67.03. It actually did a lower low yesterday. It got down to 66.80, but the key thing is it closed above at 67.34, and that's the key level to close. Now, today we have an inside day here. So on the downside, you want to watch this key 67.03. You want to watch yesterday's low, okay? That's sitting at 66.80. That's very, very key level there. Then what we do, if that's lost, then we come over here, 65.65. We over here, 65.38, 64.36. Your big retest here, 63.64. But if you can keep holding this bottom, that's a nice, really good trading range here. So let's look at the upside. So what we want to do is you want to look to the bottom of this candle here. You're sitting at 70.10. Then we start getting into these SMAs here, okay? 70.75, your 8 SMA, your 71.76, your 21 SMA. Then we start with the top of these candles here. So you want to go 72.33. Here you want to go 73.28. And then we go 74.44. That is going to be very, very tough resistance. That's your 50 SMA. Above that, we have your 100 SMA at 75.10. Close above. Then we have your key 78.85, your 200 SMA. But see, I don't like this. I've been pointing this out for a while. See how that is just going right on down. Okay, there's no flattening, there's no curling up, there's no nothing right there. Okay, so that tells me you got sideways action to down. Okay, so basically look at these price channels: 74.73 top, 66.80 on the bottom. That is going to be your trading range here, and then watch these key middle SMAs here, your 8 and your 21. That'll be your big resistance. Let's take a look here now on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, weekly chart. So far, you're holding this key level right here. Okay, 67.36. That's your 200 SMA. That is very, very key support. Okay, on a closing basis. That's the key to close. You can blast down like you did here, but close above for the week, that's exactly what you want to do. Now, if that's lost, then we look here. You got 65.38. You got 64.36, and then your big retest there at 63.64. The upside, see, I don't like what this 8 SMA is doing. See that? It's just trying. It just can't do it. But now look where it is. The price just runs into it, and it comes right on down. So watch 71.80. Very, very key resistant level. And then watch this key after that is 74.71. That is your other big level there. In the meantime, you can also look here at the top of this. You have 73.28. The top of this candle here, you got 73.55. Then your 74.71. Above 81.15. And then we have your price channel right there at 83.53. Weekly, monthly here, nothing really changed. You got 66.06 on the bottom. Very, very key support. And then we have your 200 SMA here. You're sitting at 72.73. Very, very key resistance. So you're just trading in between there. A close above. We look at the 08 SMA there. See? 75.72. But you can see how it's just holding that price right on down. Let me big this up a little bit. Okay. See how it can't get in, and then all the way on down. close above, then we have 85.50 right there on your 21. Now remember, API numbers here will be out here at 4:30 today, and then the ERE report tomorrow for crude oil will be at 10:30. Take a look here now on old natty gas. All right, natty gas. Well, it have a green candle here, so you know it's trying to work it like a circus monkey here, but it just nothing happening. Okay, so you got 2.68 on the top, 2.13 on the bottom. That's your trading range. Okay, so we can get a little down a little deeper if you can go 2.33. That's your 21 on the upside. Then we go over to your 2.39. That's your 100 SMA. Then you retest there. On the downside, you want to go here on your 2.27 is your 8 SMA, and you want to go 2.26 here on your 50 SMA. If that's lost, then we look to your price channel sitting at 2.136, and if that's lost, then we come all the way down here. On this candle here, you can go is 2.03, and then we come all the way down here to 1.946. Just sideways action, just a whole lot of nothing. I did scalp some Boil today, B-O-I-L. I'm trading 10,000 shares, and I got 15 cents. I made 2 scalps there. Nothing to write home about, but you know, $1,500 is $1,500. Okay. The cold, I just didn't have any interest in it today because you got a green candle. The CPI number today was actually pretty good. They were expecting 4.1. It came in at 4%. I said last year, you know, inflation is topped. Now it just takes time to work this rate on down again here, but it's going to be over time. So the Fed's going to meet tomorrow. Very, very key. So you want to watch that Fed because that's going to be affecting crude oil and natural gas and stocks and the whole nine. I think they pause, but you know who knows? They could say no, we're going to raise another quarter point. But I think they're going to pause, and then we'll just see how this all shakes out. All right, I will see you tomorrow morning. 8 o'clock for a review of crude oil and the old natty gas. And thanks for watching.